Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Today I am going to teach you about our sense organs. In our previous class, already we have discussed how many sense organs do you have and what do you do with your sense organs. So, today I am going to discuss with you about the importance of our sense organs. So, let's begin.
Now, your first task is to close your eyes. I am also closing my eyes. By closing your eyes, can you see anything in your surroundings? I cannot see anything in my surroundings. Now, you open your eyes and you can see everything. So, children, you can understand how important are our eyes. So, you should take care of your eyes. You should not rub your eyes and always wash your eyes with fresh and cool water.
When your mother cooks very tasty food for you, how do you get that smell? Which sense organ helps you? Tell me fast. Yes, with the help of your nose. Nose is also very important part of our body. So, we should take care of our nose. We should not put any hard objects inside the nose, and you should not put your fingers inside the nose because it is a bad habit. Next, when you are listening to any music, which sense organ helps you to listen the music? Your ears. So, we should take care of our ears also, because without your ears you cannot listen anything. So, you should clean your ears regularly. Next, what is your favorite dish? And which sense organ helps you to taste your favorite dish? And which sense organ helps us to talk? Yes, your tongue. Tongue helps to identify the taste of various food items, and tongue helps us also to talk. Now, which season is going on? Summer season, and we are feeling very hot. So, how do we feel? It is hot by our skin. Skin helps us to feel everything. Do you know? Skin is our largest sense organ. So, how will you take care of your skin? You should take a bath daily with soap to take care of your skin.
Again, I am here with a crossword puzzle. As you can see, in the puzzle, lots of alphabets are there. But the name of the sense organs are hidden in the puzzle. So, we have to find out the name of the sense organs. Will you help me to solve the puzzle? Let's start.
Which sense organ helps us to see? Do you know, children? Which sense organ helps us to see? Yes, our eyes helps us to see. What is the spelling of eyes? E-Y-E-S. Please repeat after me. E-Y-E-S. So, I am writing it for you. Now, here you have to find out the first sense organ, that is eyes. Now, let's find out E. Where is E? Yes, I got E. But I cannot find out why. Okay, let's find it out again. Yes, I got it. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. Now, let me circle it. So, I got the first sense organ. Now, let's move to the next. Which sense organ helps us to smell? Yes, our nose helps us to smell. What is the spelling of nose? Do you know? Yes, N-O-A-C, nose. Please repeat after me. N-O-A-C, nose. So, I am writing it for you again. Now here you have to find out the second sense organ, that is nose. Now let's find out N, because N is the beginning letter of the word. Now let's find the next letter, that is O. Where is O? Yes, I got it. Here is O. N-O-A-C, nose. So, we have got the second sense organ, that is nose. Now comes the third sense organ, which helps us to listen music. What it is? Yes, it is our ears. Our ears helps us to listen music. So I hope you all know the spelling of ears. E-A-R-S, ears. Please repeat after me. E-A-R-S, ears. Again I am writing it for you. So, we have to find out the beginning letter of ears. Which one is the beginning letter of ears? E. Where is E? I got E. But where is the next letter of ears? That is A. Okay. Again I have to find out. Yes, I got our third sense organ, ears. Now, let me circle it. Now let's move to the next. Which sense organ helps you to taste the tasty food, and it also helps you to talk? Yes, your tongue. What is the spelling of tongue? Tongue. Please repeat after me. Tongue. Now we have to find out the beginning letter of tongue. What is the beginning letter of tongue? Please tell me. Yes, T. Can you tell me which one is the second letter of tongue? Yes, O. We have to find out the fourth sense organ, tongue. We have got our fourth sense organ, tongue. Let's circle it. It's time for the next. We have got the first fourth sense organ's name. Only one is left out. So, I hope you all know that sense organ's name very well, isn't it? Yes. So, you have to write the fifth sense organ in the comment box. So, where will you write it? In the comment box. Thank you.